I just got an email. I got an invite to Beanie's Modest exclusive fan meet. And at first I didn't believe it because I did not enter the raffle. But then I'm invited because of how I make content about Beanie. And I did not believe it until another Bloom mentioned it and we confirmed with each other if we got the same details. Grand Beanieverse was last Saturday. And I live in Visayas, so until I can confirm it, really confirm it, I'm going to book the tickets, Airbnb, and the plane going back because this is an exclusive fan meet. Crazy update. It's real, and looks like I'm actually really booking the ticket. It's teal.
Kitang-kita yung sir. Hehe. Oo, kasi tuna.
God, it's Friday. Thank you guys so much for being here. And congratulations dahil kayo ang bida today, di ba? Thank you, Modest. Guys, sabihin natin, thank you, Modest.
Thank you, Modest!
Thank you, guys. Again, good afternoon. I feel confident because of Modest. It's all about more games that we have for you guys. So before we meet our groups later on, we have some fun. Hey! Hey, Beanie Maloy is... Correct ba?
Alam mo yung
Correct na yan.
Ano yung
Kahapon, yes!
Alam mo
Beanie Maloy! Kahapon, nakausap ko si Maloy. Sabi niya, ayan, natingnan mo. Symmetrical yung mga natalikod. Sabi ko, nice.
Wala ako doon. Sa Cebu
Sino
ako.
dito day 1 ng Grand Beanieverse? Day 2! Day 3!
Ah!
Ate ko,
Wow!
please ka pumunta.
Best in attendance yung katabi ko.
Bongga. Ano yung favorite day mo?
In attendance.
Kapatid ka.
Baka family member ka na ni Colette. Vergara ka na ba? Oh my God, Aya. Oh, Nana. Oh my God. Woo! Ikaw at ako ay para sa isa't isa. Every time that I'm with you, ayaw ko wala sa may pag-ibig sa'yo. Oh my God, Aya! Sabik na sa'yo ang pag-ibig. How you make me feel? Ang aking nararamdaman. Oh my God, remind you, boy. I feel good. Oh my God.
Alright, Blooms, let's give it. Nasa Philippine kanina na tayo dun. Doon yung feeling, diba? And guys, can we also congratulate them? The first ever P-pop group to perform in Of course, Bini, to celebrate your success, we have a token of appreciation for you guys from Modest. Kaya naman, I would like to call on our beautiful flowers. Yes, our bouquet just for our beautiful Renaissance girl group. Congratulations, Bini. Grabe. Master Jo, how long has it been since yung release ng Talarawan EP? Isang 1 year?
February, hala.
1 year? Pala na? More than 1 year. More than 1 year, pero grabe na yung naging success mo. Congratulations talaga, Bini. Sobrang proud. 1 year pala. Crucial today because she will be, again, we all know it's Crucial sa Tabing Ilog. So she has a show later on. So sabihin mo natin, break a leg, Master Jo!
Break a leg, go!
Feeling ko parang feeling ko professor ako dito. Ito yung mga estudyante. Kahit ano sabihin ko, gagawin nila. Can we see We Love Pini in 3, 2, 1? Okay, again, congrats to our colors, green, yellow, pink, and purple. Yes, ayan.
My number.
1 and 2 from our 4 colors. That is green, yellow, pink, and purple. Come up on stage. Okay.
Tina.
Okay. Aya, take it away.
Alright. 3 items. First,
Okay, so basically, this is the truth. Lahat po to true, but
I-feel mo siya lahat. Or,
Dapat yung nag-guess sila.
Swerte na. Kapag-holding na sila si Gwen.
Kayo, sir. Yes, dito po kayo, sir. And then, Aya, you're here. Ayan. Okay. So basically, Colette, you will be coaching JA. Aya, you are going to be coaching Jazz. Jazz. Okay. You will be. She will be coaching you. Ayan. Okay, correct. So again, Pinoy Henyo.
tapos, binasa ko lang yung kung anong recipe. Tapos, kasi nakalagay yung orange flavor. So actually, hindi ko siya natatry kasi brand new pala. Brand new pala kasi nung spray ko, ayan, sobrang lapit. Tapos nung una, hindi ko pa naamoy, pero meron pala siyang waiting time. Tapos, ayun, sobrang lala. Pumasok siya sa...
Delikado to kung mag-isa lang sa bahay.
Oh,
Walang magawa.
Thank you.
Yes. Alright, thank you so much. Ako yung caption po ni Christina is Sheena's perfume. Love it. Thank you so much, Christina, for joining us. Thank you, Sheena. Dito sa photo.
Galing mo. Birthday ni Allen, tapos regalo ko sa... Wala kasi kaming pambalot na... yung reject nila ng mga gamit, binigyan nila sa akin. Ito naman nagamit din. So, dinala namin yun, nag-grab kami ni Sheena papunta sa condo niya. Tapos pagdating ko, happy birthday! Ito, gift ko sa'yo. Ganyan.
So, Aya, ginagamit mo pa rin ba yun?
Hindi gumagana sa process to. Kasi sabi ko sa kanila, hindi gumagana.
Ay, hindi siya.
Hindi siya magnetic.
Sorry ka. So much.
Mag-sorry ka
Wala na
doon.
lang.
Love it. Thank you so much, Axedy, and thank you, Colette. Yay! Okay. Next naman, let's call on Pili Aya with yellow. So, pili po kayo kung dare po gusto niyo. Tapos, yes. Tapos, lagay niyo ng pili. Oh, dare! So, puro dare ba? Okay, so we have dare.
Hindi yun lahat.
Okay, lahat there. Okay, lahat.
Marshall, sabihan natin.
Oh.
Isa pa.
Oh.
Yes, okay, let's see. What is our dare for Bini Aya? Oh, sing your favorite line from your favorite Bini song.
Sing. Kaya na naman
Kaya!
Pwede po
Okay, duet na lang po kayo.
change na lang to. Kasi nagawa niya po.
Let me focus. Okay. Okay, go Gwen.
Oh.
Binibigay na lang yung problema to. Yan, perfect.
Okay, Gwen is juggling. Purple 7, please prepare po as you are next on stage. Okay. Try mo muna dalawa, Gwen.
Oh.
Ha? What is the best part? Pag nagsa-travel po kami. Out of town, out of the country.
Favorite-
Kasama kami talaga.
Oh, favorite destination niyo, Colette? So far, from yung US Canada tour ninyo.
Isang araw na ito kanina. Wait. US.
US? Talaga? Oh God.
Kasi kahit sobrang namin yung mainit, yung outfit talaga namin yun.
Oo, true! Outfit talaga, di ba? Thank you so much, Colette. Thank you so much po. Okay. Last but not least, be sustain.
James!
Sustain, sista mo kasi yan. Okay, go.
Costa ako!
Siyempre kasama ka, JC. Go.
Ay!
Thank you so much, Stacy and JC! And that concludes our
Okay. Kasi wala naman ako ano eh. Post na. Here, are you saying lang? Anong halaman pala? Totoong halaman. Sopping cheese. Yeah, liempo talaga. With 3 different sausawan.
Oh my
Magtumas
God.
yan for sure. Random soy sauce. Suka. Random soy sauce.
11, yellow 11, and one from the medium. Guys na po.
Nag-message si Colette.
Nakalimutan ko i-TikTok.
Yung.
Colette held my hand.
Nag-message si Colette.
Like, sabi ng team, sabi ng magandang MC, she was pretty. Like, guys, hindi pwede hawakan yung beanie kasi for safety reasons, of course. Pero sabi ko kay, ha! Someone's cutting us in traffic. Pero sabi ng team na, guys, hindi po pwede hawakan yung beanie, ganito, ganyan. Pero sabi ko kay Colette, galing pa ako ng Leyte. Tapos, she held my hand. She held my hand. I was like, hindi ko na, I'm never washing my right hand, and you can't hold my right hand anymore.
Ganun.
Oo, kasi hinawakan na ni Colette. And she didn't let go. Punta na ako off stage. Hindi ko pa rin